Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to find products to sell on Amazon that you actually love, how to build the life of your dreams, how to attain ultimate fulfillment, how to quit your job. It's all going to be included into today's awesome video. But in all seriousness, I have seemingly made a life of selling physical products online, and more importantly, physical products I really enjoy selling. And so one of the big things when I was building my Made in the USA Amazon FBA brand, I'll take whatever the screenshot is here and I'll just put it up on the screen. So screenshot there. It's only 10 a.m. We've done $500 in sales so far today, 42K in the last 30 days. And it's just 2 SKUs, primarily just one SKU, just one great product made in the USA, local, selling something I love. And I'm able to pay myself to do that. So pretty awesome. I wanted to teach you that because I feel like it's a skill that if more people had, we'd have more happy people. If we have more happy people, we have a better world. So one of the things I was going to let you in on, this is a channel that I built, a bit of a community building exercise. So far, the way we've monetized this channel is with affiliate links. Go click on this video, for instance. Well, ads as well. So there's an ad, for instance. But you could see here the description of these guys. That website actually isn't up anymore. SavageandSmith.com. Tried putting some merch up there, wasn't doing too well, so we just took it down to save the website fees. But this has produced hundreds of dollars a month. That has done okay, and then this has also produced a lot. Where I'm going with this is, so these are just affiliate links, right? That's how we monetize the channel so far. These are not products that I manufactured myself. However, you can buy these and then we make a percentage of the sales from these, which we frequently do. And then obviously we make revenue just from the views on YouTube. Where I was going with this is I am going to start thinking about the physical product I want to sell to this community. It's something that I do with my own free time anyway. This is obviously just a passion project. Been able over the past 2 years to get this up to the point where we have pretty much every time we post, thousands of people tuning in and really excited to follow us along on our journey. So that's been great. And I want to potentially launch a new product for that brand. And so I just wanted to take you through a little bit how that works. So real life example, real life case study. And I don't really care. You know, I don't sell my Made in USA Amazon FBA brand. That's a little more tactical. This is because it's just like a little side hustle passion project thing, that my key sales factor would be coming from my ability to pitch the product to 4,000 people, and oftentimes much more than that because the views we get, the relationship we built in this community. It doesn't really matter. So it's not like someone could come in and like steal my idea for this, because it's just a different concept, right? It's community and brand building versus direct competition on Amazon. So where I'm going with this is take what you love and start there first. And what I would recommend that you do is get Helium-10 so you could follow along with this. All you need is this magnet tool right here. This magnet tool is kind of overpowered. If you use this right, you can like make money online for the rest of your life. Seriously, like that's not an empty statement. It's an incredibly powerful tool. Everyone has these opportunities available to them. If you have $70 a month, you can have this tool, or $80 a month, whatever it is, with the discount. It's like $100 if you don't. There's an affiliate link, by the way. If you do get it, if you're going to get it, and I do appreciate you using my link. I use this tool every week. Most days, honestly. Check this out. So I can put something like fishing in here, and you put whatever you like. If you're like a disc golf kind of guy, if you're a, little like bread guy, woodworker, a golfer, you start with what you love. You already have insights into the kind of products that you like, the kind of products you already buy, the kind of things you wish existed. Those are superpowers. And most importantly, you want to make this work. And I have found in this lifetime, can't tell you about my past lives yet, but this one, that working on what you actually want to work on, listening to that intuition, that North Star that pulls you towards what you want to be doing, is a superpower that unlocks human potential. When someone doesn't have to be told what to do or forced to do something for a paycheck, and instead they choose to build something awesome, it typically comes out awesome. And even if it doesn't, you have fun in the process, and you lift yourself up out of a limited vision of what you can actually accomplish. So check this out. There are all of these high search volume, 7,800 keywords related to fishing. So I've got my work cut out for me, but these are all good examples. So I might start with something that has a lot of search volume. Okay, polarized sunglasses. 14,000 per month with only a 68-cent PPC bid. Let's check it out. Okay, so polarized sunglasses. Well, that one doesn't have fishing specifically in the keyword. I would like to go a little bit closer to something that actually polarized fishing sunglasses has 830. Let's see here. Polarized glasses for fishing. It seems like polarized sunglasses for fishing men. There's quite a few variations of that search term where it's polarized sunglasses for fishing. And so I wonder if we put a keyword, include keyword, which is not exclude, but phrases containing, there we go. Any phrases containing like fish. And I think it'll get fishing because it will add that on. No, it won't. Okay. Fish or fishing. So you could do any, so it'll pick either of those included. Cool, now we're back to 4,000. So all these are specific to fishing now. And so immediately I can just go straight to the ones that have higher search volume, and those catch my eyes first. So fishing boots. The way I'm thinking about this is I have an audience that I've built here, people that already buy things that we recommend. Like I literally just got an email today about an affiliate order that just came through an hour ago for this channel. And I get to make money on that effortlessly. And so let me show you that. Here we go. So 7:30 a.m. You're not going to be able to read that. It's going to be blurry, I guess. Congratulations. Thanks to your system, just recorded a new referral order. Okay. And so you'll get details go on your affiliate account and you'll get your commission. Great news. New referral order was tracked. So if someone goes and makes a $100 purchase or a $200 purchase or a $500 purchase, they buy a new rod, new flies, we get equally proportionate commission to that. So what I'm thinking about here is what's something that every person needs. And so I don't want to go too niche here. I don't want to go to like an organizational product for a truck for fishing. No, because a lot of my people watching the video might just have like a Camry. You know what I mean? But what does everyone need? Well, fly fishing, eye protection is pretty important. Almost everyone that I've seen that I've met on the river has some form of polarized glasses on, so that caught my attention. Nets, everyone needs a net. Like these net, blah, blah, blah. Boots, waders, boots, as one of our sponsors, we have actually our affiliates that we are ambassadors for is actually a waders company, and they sell quite well, pretty big local company. Line, everyone needs line. And so fishing line, really inexpensive. You can charge a decent amount for it. You can be persuaded into thinking a certain kind is better for what you're doing. Things that, so basically this is how I'm working through it, right? I want to transmute the lesson to you, not so literally. So by the way, I'm getting a lot of low search volume stuff. I'll just throw 1,000 here. So fish or fishing with over 1,000. Now we're down to 400. Cool. So this is actually the real list that we should be looking at. Boots, sunglasses, a line spooler. Here's a fishing line, fluorocarbon. Exactly. So fluorocarbon's a specific type of fishing line. And then you have monofilament, and then you have braid, and then you have fly lines, which are all different, right? And so that could be its own series of products that I can release for my audience that everyone might need. Fishing rod, I tend to think, what's the easiest thing that I can sell to the most people, and if they can buy it again, that's great, which is why fishing line sounds so interesting to me, because I can come out with a Savage and Smith fishing line and sell Savage and Smith fishing line and talk about how it's so durable and break resistant and specifically designed for fishing in the Northwest, where it has this color because our rivers are this specific color. And sell to this highly curated group of enthusiast customers that I've created for this brand here with my buddy, it's Connor. Me and Connor are Savage and Smith. Savage Smith, Connor Smith. So that's us. And so we're like, he doesn't know anything about selling physical products. So I'm like, hey, I think we should launch a physical product. We've grown quite the brand here, quite the entertainment brand and content brand here. We're starting to grow our names in the space. We're getting invited to events and things like that, and really just literally growing our brand and our presence as Northwest fishermen. And this isn't hard. Do you see what I'm saying? I kind of just wanted to bring you along for the journey a little bit here, but I'm basically just going to do my due diligence. I wanted to bring you along in and show you how I'm thinking about this. Don't think I'm like not saying something or that there's hidden knowledge here. I just go and look at what the demand is, and then I run that back again. Okay, so Fish Replies has 20,000 search volume. I run it against, if I do this well, how do I have the highest benefit? I'm looking at conversion share, I'm looking at search volume, and I'm looking at PPC bids. Everything in fishing is pretty low PPC for the most part. That's not a big problem. It's primarily, we could just come in here and let's actually go back to page 1. Let's just sort this sucker by search volume and see where all the demand is. Because since I have this external traffic source, right, I can drive traffic. And by the way, you can do this too. So by picking something that you love and then by documenting your journey, you grow your audience, or you naturally, whatever your social media feed looks like, the kind of influencers you want to engage with, you build those relationships organically. And so you have this like superpower when it comes to marketing that product and selling that product. And you likely already know people in person that you can recommend to buy that product. And so it's a real boots on the ground approach to selling a physical product, because you have a circle of people you likely know who would already make your first 10 sales. And so those are often the hardest sales. You start doing that, those people can probably give you reviews, and you gain your social proof, and you start pushing this product and just truly make it great. So don't expect this project to come out anytime soon. Don't expect me to show you next week that I'm making sales with this. But this is how all of these seed ideas start. Just like this, just, hey, you know, life has presented me with these series of opportunities, and now I've gotten to the point where when we post on this channel, it gets a really impressive amount of views. Like, humbly I say this, but it's really cool to have this passion project thing where it's like, I mean, look at that, 8,000 views, 5,000 views, 3,000, 8,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. This was actually a course that we created, and we make 10% of this. So there's these little lucrative things that we've created for ourselves through affiliate marketing, the ad revenue. In this course, we designed with a leading industry expert. This guy's phenomenal fly fisherman, the best fly fisherman I've ever met, specifically for swinging flies for big steelhead and salmon in the Northwest, in Alaska. And yeah, we filmed a video course with him, and so he runs that on Teachable. 20,000 views, right? 20,000 views. I filmed this video myself. That's me tying a fly, right? Last year. And what do? In the beginning, I put the affiliate links. It just keeps showing ads for some reason. But I put the affiliate links
to Clinique serum with 3
products in here. And then, so right there, boom. Well, that's actually a merch link, whatever. Now just imagine I've replaced that with a physical product that's on Amazon, and because I have this ability to push it on Amazon, I can push it to the top of an impressive ranking page. And so now let's take a look at that. If I look somewhere in this 10,000 search volume range, 7 to 15,000 search volume range, I'm probably realistically, and I'll update you on this when I do it, gonna pick something in this search volume range. Why? Because when I start driving organic traffic for this brand, I push myself up in the rankings, and then people who don't even know us from YouTube see that we created a sick product and start buying it because they searched on Amazon for something, and then maybe it works the reverse. They brought the product first, and then they hear, you know, about the videos after, and then they're like double involved in it, and so they become a part of the community, and we do some, you know, giveaway with our products and build engagement around this. And so now it's just like, fine, here's my literal next steps. We're saving up money from the affiliate marketing and the ad revenue on this account to launch a physical product. Once there's enough money there to do that, we're gonna be contacting US manufacturers somewhere probably around these repurchasable products like fishing line, and it doesn't have to be any harder than that. And so don't think you have to invent anything. We're just gonna make a really high quality version of something that already exists, and we're gonna brand the hell out of it, sell the hell out of it, and hopefully make lots of money doing it and help a bunch of people along the way. And so if you wanna learn more about this, you can come join my Patreon. I have a $9 a month course that has literally everything that I've talked about here, explained in depth. There's hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of video footage in here, never before seen, not on YouTube, that you can get access to for as little as 2 cups of coffee a month. $9. Okay, so join that. It'll get you far, and you can message me in there. If you need additional help after that, I offer monthly and weekly mentorship. No big fancy $1,000 course or anything, just straight up good old fashioned consulting, and a really well priced course at $9 a month. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you greatly. Let me know if this was inspiring to hear about how I'm looking at my next physical product adventure. And I don't know, we should come up with a new outro like stay cool. No, that's not going to be it. Well, maybe next time. All right, take care.